Hello everyone, my name is Ilir. I'm the owner of Freedom Tech, the repair shop in Holland. Today I got this tutorial video for the PS5 system. Some kind of classic problems right now well known, where unit is on but the controller get disconnected, or it won't connect or loses power as soon as you connect it. After doing so many research, I found out the reason why. And some people suggest to basically rebuild the database, and some recommend to do the reset the system, which I've already done both of them. There's no result, because the main reason is that if you turn off your Bluetooth on the system and then you connect your controller via USB, it's gonna work. But if you turn it on while you have it on a USB, and if you have a very bad Bluetooth receiver, the unit will actually start doing the same problem, which means it's not going to communicate and it's not going to connect. So the best option in this case is simply I recommend to forget about rebuilding and doing factory reset. It's not going to help. You have to manually and physically remove that Bluetooth adapter inside and put a new one in. Or you can buy a Bluetooth adapter that goes in the back of the PS4 USB area to connect the controller, so you will never have this problem again. But like if you do have that issue, what I like is, again, it's hard to demonstrate it, but I'm gonna try. So if you go up here and on the settings, basically go back to where it says accessories, and then hit enter. And then if you go here, as you can see from my video, I've already turned it off, the Bluetooth, but if I turn it on, a unit will restart and then it will not work. So this is the only way to find out if you have a bad Bluetooth receiver. But again, if you replace the Bluetooth adapter, and if you use a Bluetooth USB adapter, you should have no problem. But for right now, this is one of the reasons I found. And also, if you do have a keyboard, I mean, I got all-in-one USB version. If you connect it to the PS4, you can technically use the keyboard as a controller. That's all I got for you today. As always, I tried to put a tutorial video to help you a little bit find out most of the problems, and just so you can save some money and know what needs to be repaired. Again, if you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.